Hey guys, I am in Holland Park in Brisbane and I'm going to be touring a beautiful home. Now this one here I've actually toured before, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. But we're going to be touring the house right next door and I can't wait to show you guys inside because she's a beauty. So let's go and have a look. Oh wow, let me just close the door. So the first thing I notice is when you walk in, you can see the view straight down the end. It looks so good because it's lots of greenery down there. Now before we go down that way, let's have a look in here because I can see there's a room. So they've set this up as an office space. Nice big window, storage space in the corner. Oh, and look at this. This is nice. So it's a barn door, but I haven't seen the glass before. Very cool, like that. Going across here would be our garage. It is. Now I think there's space for 3 cars in here. Nice and spacious. Close that one up again. And then I see another barn door. Same barn door as that one. And here you've got, yeah, I wonder what they basically set this up as potentially a media room, but you probably use this as a bedroom, maybe. Storage space through there. And then wow, nice grand staircase. They've got a little nook underneath it. I mean, most of the time people don't know what to do underneath the staircase. You can either do storage or you've got this cool zone over here. And then straight across, separate toilet and separate bathroom. And so this bathroom here has a shower. So I'm gathering if you do turn that room that we've just been into a bedroom, you've got the shower here. Very nice. And wow, look at this. So open. So open plan living. Great size windows. Now, how cool is that ceiling? I do love how they've got the timber up the top there. So your kitchen, your dining, and your living area. And let's walk into the living space. 2 window seats on either side. Love the arches, that's pretty cool. Nice fireplace across here. Super high ceilings actually. I'm not quite sure on the height, but I'll probably pop it in the comments for you guys. Then across here, your dining area, and then straight across your dining area, your cocktail area / wine bar, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. You can put a fridge in here, storage through there. This is nice feature. And then your beautiful kitchen. Now I really like the marble on this. I'm not quite sure what it is. I'll find out for you guys. Beautiful because they've carried it over and used it as a backsplash. So that's great because there's no grout. So really easy to clean. Gorgeous. Let's keep going. So your oven is through there. Integrated fridge right across. And then over here, your butler's kitchen. So same size sink, storage, pantry across there. You've got another cooktop over here. And if you keep walking, there is a door. So this is a laundry area. Again, same setup with another sink. So you've got 1, 2, 3 sinks. And then I like how they've added the rod. We actually use the rod quite often in our own home because I hang my husband's business shirts on there. You've got the mud room. This is a great idea because the garage is straight through there. So when you come through the garage, you take off your shoes and you pop them through there. And then you can walk straight through into the pantry and your kitchen. So you can drop off your shopping. Very nice. All right, let's go and have a look outside. I mean, look at these doors. They open right up. And then your alfresco. It's huge. And I like that it's undercover, which means you can use it all year round. I love the ceiling. It continues from the ceiling inside with the timber. And then across here, your barbecue area. Great for entertaining. There's a little spot there for your fridge. And then you come straight down into your beautiful backyard. So you've got your pool and lovely trees around. So really nice, perfect for our Queensland weather anyway, except today. Where is the sun? No sun today. All right, let's keep going. Now we'll go inside and and let's go and have a look at the bedrooms upstairs. Okay, now this is a nice big area. I didn't expect it to be this large. Nice and open, high ceilings up here as well. Window seat. Would you consider this a window seat? I think so. Huge window seat, lots of storage space. And I really like the void, and in particular actually the railing, because it contrasts the white and it's the same as the windows. Across there, let's have a look. That is your linen cupboard, lots of space. Now we'll go this way first. So this is bedroom 1. Nice windows, nice and airy. There is a walk-in cupboard through that corner there. Let's keep going. And then across here, a bathroom. Now, I've just noticed the view's the same marble as the kitchen downstairs. Love it. There's a bathtub around the corner and there's also a shower. Love how the tiles go all the way up to the ceiling. Very nice. Now across here there's a toilet, so separate toilet to the bathroom. And then over here we've got another bedroom. Now this is a bit bigger than the bedroom that we've just seen. Oh, come this way. there's a little hidden nook, little study area here. Beautiful. And you can actually walk straight out onto the balcony. That's quite nice. Walk-in robe. This one's really nice and spacious. And then across here, now which room is this? This almost could pass as the master bedroom because it's very open, very large. I like the design actually. It's got like lots of curves in here. Cupboard through here. So not a walk-in cupboard, but you've got lots of storage space. And then across here, oh, this is a nice little area. Study, balcony. You can access the balcony here too. Very nice, beautiful. Right, I think we all want to see the master bedroom. So let's go take a look. And the master bedroom is straight through here. Here we go. Now this is nice. Great size walk-in robe. They've chosen to have, so one section is open for easy access, lots of drawers. And then this side is all behind doors, which is great. Especially if you're not as tidy like me. Let's keep going. Now look at this. This is lovely. Same ceiling as downstairs. First thing I noticed when I walked in. Lovely and bright. Let's go have a look at the bathroom first actually. And this is the ensuite. This is lovely. So same stone, same marble as downstairs. 2 sinks. You do have a separate toilet with a door, bathtub, and come in guys, an oversized shower. When I say oversized, this is huge. Huge. But I like how they've used big tiles, so easy to clean. Very easy to clean. And then I'll step out into your balcony. And that's it. You've got the beautiful views, you've got views of the pool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. If you've got any questions, just leave them below. I will try my best to answer them for you, but thanks for watching.